Problem 14 here, we are going on a 500-mile trip. In the first part of that trip, driver travels 3 hours and 15 minutes at an average speed of 60 miles per hour. And then she needs to arrive at the destination in another 3 hours and 50 minutes, find the average speed for the remainder of the trip. So rate times time is equal to distance here. So distance is equal to rate times time. And on the first part of the trip, she is averaging 60 miles per hour. So that's our rate. And she is doing that for 3 hours and 15 minutes. So times 3 hours and 15 minutes, that would be 3 and 15/60ths of an hour. 15 minutes out of 60, which is actually 3 1/4 or 3.25. So times 3.25 hours. And if you multiply that in the calculator, you will get 195. So 195 miles in that first part of the trip. So the remaining distance here, the second part of the trip, it is 500 miles total, minus 195 miles that we've already traveled, which leaves 305 miles for the last part of the trip, second part of the trip. And they need to get there in 3 hours and 50 minutes. So our time for the second part of the trip, here let me put D2, T2, this is first distance. So that second time is 3 hours and 50 minutes, so 50 out of 60, which is 3 5/6. Or if we do an improper fraction, 6 times 3, 18, plus 5, 23/6 hours. So then if we want that second rate, your rate here, divide both sides by time, is going to be distance divided by time. Our distance is 305, and then our time is 23/6. And if we divide those out in the calculator, we get 79.56 miles per hour. So that's one way to tackle that problem, just using the formulas there.